Capital One Cash Out, your money, your way. Need a little cash cushion? Maybe you're planning a weekend getaway or that must-have gadget just dropped. Whatever the reason, knowing how to access your hard-earned money is key. But with all the different options out there, how do you get money out of your Capital One account quickly and conveniently? Look, there's nothing worse than scrambling for cash when you need it most. Whether you're a seasoned Capital One customer or just starting out, navigating your account options can feel overwhelming. Fear not, financial friends. This video will be your one-stop shop for unlocking the secrets of accessing your Capital One cash. We'll break down all the methods, from the tried and true to the surprisingly tech-savvy, so you can choose the one that best fits your situation. The ATM option, a classic for a reason. The trusty ATM, a financial frontier for many of us. If you need physical cash and have a Capital One debit card, the ATM route might be your best bet. Just pop your card in, enter your PIN, remember, keep that secret, and select the withdrawal option. Easy peasy. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, be sure you're using a Capital One ATM or an in-network machine to avoid any pesky fees. Second, ATM withdrawals typically have daily limits, so if you need a larger sum, you might want to consider another method. Transferring funds, your digital money mover. Maybe you don't need physical cash, but you do need to move that money from your Capital One account to another one. This is where fund transfers come in. Capital One offers a couple of ways to do this: online transfers and external account transfers. For online transfers, if you need to get money to another Capital One account, it's a breeze. Just log into your online banking, select the transfer function, choose the to and from accounts, and voila! Your money is on the move. External account transfers take a little more legwork, but they're still straightforward. You'll need to link your external account, that's your account at another bank, to your Capital One account first. Once that's done, transferring funds is similar to the online transfer process. Mobile magic, banking on the go. Let's face it, our phones are pretty much an extension of ourselves these days. And guess what? Capital One gets it. Their mobile app allows you to transfer funds with just a few taps. It's the same basic idea as online transfers, but even faster and more convenient. Just make sure you have the app downloaded and login info handy. Checks, the old-fashioned favorite. While the world gets more digital, checks are still a valid way to access your Capital One funds. They might not be the most glamorous option, but they can be useful for sending money to someone who doesn't have online access or prefers a paper trail. Just remember, ordering checks and waiting for them to arrive can take some time, so plan accordingly. Also, keep in mind some businesses might have restrictions on accepting checks. Wire transfers, for when speed is king. Need money there yesterday? Wire transfers are your answer. They're super fast, often reaching the recipient within the same day or the next business day. However, there's a catch, and it's not a small one. Wire transfers typically come with higher fees than other methods. So, this option is best reserved for urgent situations where speed is essential. Security matters, protecting your Capital One cash. No matter which method you choose, security should always be a top priority. Here are some quick tips. Keep your PIN a secret. Nobody should know it, not even your best friend. Be cautious of using ATMs in isolated locations. Never share your online banking login information with anyone. If you suspect any suspicious activity on your account, contact Capital One immediately.